Okay, the first thing we're going to try to get rid of these hiccups is circular breathing.
Okay.
Forky, what are you doing?
I'm breathing in circles.
That's not what circular breathing means.
Oh.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.